Whoa, that looked trippy. Did you guys see that? It's a full moon. And do you know what that means? Okay, so in this house, and for me, full moon nights okay, so anyways, it's not quite a full moon, true full moon yet. Tomorrow is the actual full moon, and those are the nights that I'm planning on doing this again. I used to go all the time with my girlfriends. I'm looking at what full moon is tomorrow. It's the snow moon. It says on Saturday, February 24, sky gazers around the world are in for a celestial treat as the snow moon graces the night sky. So anyways, in my last video I was talking about pretty much my heritage, my culture. So I am also Hawaiian. A lot of people don't know that Hawaiian is actually it's not only a culture or way of life, it is also a nationality. So I am part Hawaiian from my mom, who is, and it's funny, I'm on the street that my great grandma lived on. I ended up moving to a house on this street, and right down the road is the water, the ocean, the waters that they used to explore growing up also. So anyways, in Hawaiian tradition, on full moon nights, first of all, my family is really into fishing. We're in Hawaii. It's typical. You're gonna grow up, somebody's gonna be fishing in the family. For me, it was all of the men and my grandmother. And me. It's one of my forms of therapy, I guess you can say. On full moon nights, I like to go down there during the lowest tide to either catch bait if I'm planning a fishing trip the next day, or catch fish. But I don't actually catch fish unless it's a really good one that I want to eat. Torch fishing is an ancient Hawaiian method of fishing at night on full moon nights. And in the Hawaiian culture, the moon, the land, everything all works hand in hand, and they go according to the moon phases, where certain nights and days are good for fishing and planting certain plants. So tomorrow is a full moon night. I'm planning on going to the ocean. The weather has been really ugly, but hopefully it's gonna be okay to go, and I'm gonna force myself to finally go again. I've been like out of it, but I just like to explore all the creatures, the sea creatures of the night that you won't usually see cruising around in the day, such as, I'll insert a clip. Bye. Yeah. Cool, dude.
guys are gonna go and come back though. Maybe it'll catch the fish by then.
Look at that. And I don't do the ancient Hawaiian style of torch fishing, which is they had like a backpack on with like a torch, a natural light source of flame usually hanging over, where it lights their way in front of them, where they can see in front of them while they're walking the low tides. I use a dive light and Tabi's anti-slip waterproof shoes and a net, sometimes a spear. But I'm excited to finally get back in there. I've seen a lot of cool creatures. I usually go with my girlfriends. I've gone with my cousins, and yeah, hopefully I catch some things on camera that will be interesting. That's what I plan on doing. Okay, sorry, I'm kind of out of it right now because it was a long day at the hospital. Remember, I had to go to that appointment. Yeah, that was forever. But anyways, I'm also doing hair tomorrow. My loyal client, it's her appointment tomorrow. It's usually pretty fast, about in 2 hours. Just like a touch up and highlights. Hopefully I catch some bait and then I can go fishing the next day, and hopefully it won't be raining. It was like pouring rain earlier today, but it's okay. It's really windy. It's okay. I have like a really warm dive jacket on, and I'm pretty much gonna just force myself to go because I think I need it, honestly. Sometimes the ocean, it will cure anything. Salt water is good for you. The energy of the ocean is good for you. It's scientifically proven. Like, even if you have a cold or something, it's good to go take a swim or dip in the salt water. Clears out your sinuses. It's almost like a natural saline solution rinse. But yeah. But yeah, going back to the Hawaiian heritage, I did not realize that a lot of people did not know that Hawaiian is actually a bloodline, and we are a dying breed. We are indigenous people. We are the originators of Hawaii. That's the proper way to say it. And they think it's just, I guess, the people of Hawaii, but yeah, Hawaiian is actually a bloodline, and I am part Hawaiian, German, Japanese, Filipino, and I guess I'll add in the Chinese and Spanish. I can do the breakdown. I have a whole big tablet, not tablet, it's a binder of my family ancestry dating back to the 1800s. So it started off with my great-great-great-grandfather who was a captain of a ship from Germany, who sailed to Hawaii Island, ended up marrying a pure Hawaiian woman, my great-great-great-grandmother, and then there's my great-grandmother who lived right down the road. She is Hawaiian, German, Japanese because her father was Japanese. And great-grandfather. I still remember him sitting in his chair and visiting them growing up. He would always be sitting in his little lazy boy recliner chair with one leg up and farting. He was a small old Japanese man, and my grandma was rather large. She really pulled the German, but you can tell she was Hawaiian also. Anyways, yeah. And then on my father's side, my grandmother is Chinese. Her father was pure Chinese, and my grandfather is Filipino from Cebu, who came here on ship. I don't know if you know about this history about Hawaii, but a lot of immigrants came here usually on ship to work the sugarcane fields, and that's why he ended up here. He ended up being a reverend. They're very religious Christians. My grandmother, till this day, every day she'll journal, every night in her book, write her scriptures, Bible study every day, things like that. I feel like I'm rambling. I'm getting off topic. So yeah, anyways, it's about the full moon. What is that called again? The snow moon. The snow moon of February 2024. We will go torch fishing. Okay? Alright. Wish me luck. I am doing hair.
I'm just gonna show myself pulling foils because she needed to be pregnant now. And it looks good. Yay, finally no darkness there. Target.
Thank you. It's a totally rainy day, and I'm hoping that, I mean, even if I go torch fishing tonight, I'm still gonna get wet, right? But I want the water to be calm and visible. Know what I'm saying? Why do I always feel odd vlogging in public? Why? Like, it feels weird. Anyways, I got this. The strawberry creme drink frappuccino, as requested by my son. So I just needed to get milk and stuff so I can finish what I was cooking. On my way home now. Okay, I don't know if you can tell how rainy it is, but I'm gonna stop at the harbor since it's on the way home and check out the condition here. It looks nice. Let's go outside and check it out. Check it out. Oh, there's somebody fishing right now over there. It's pretty windy. You can't see the mountain right there and Chinaman's hat. But the water is not bad. It's a little choppy. But tonight, if I go torch fishing, I'll be going by all these sandy, shallow areas there. Not in this particular spot, but in this bay. Okay, going home. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me because my car is majorly rattling. And I'm parked next to this truck that's just all covered with, the windows are covered with girls, and I don't know what they're doing. They're looking at me like, what? Get away. Yeah, there's a lot of homeless. Anyways, I love this drive home. It's so peaceful. Like, here, look, see what I mean? Watch. See that? Just, it's so serene. I don't know, there's something about the ocean that I just love. This is dangerous. Anyways, heading home, let's cruise together. It kind of looks like there's a chance it could be clearing up. I don't know. For the snow moon to shine through. Let its vibes just radiate down to me. And the ocean and the tides. And see what it brings in. It's been a while. We'll see. I don't know. I have sick people at home, and I might have to go to the ER and bring my husband there, because remember he had that procedure yesterday? Well, I don't know. I think there's something wrong. He's not feeling well, and I don't think he's supposed to be constantly vomiting like that. It's just a normal procedure, and he went under anesthesia, and now he's like just... he's not doing good, so I'm just monitoring him. That's where I went. I had to get milk to finish my cooking, and mayo. Ran out of mayo because I'm making a sushi bake. And what else? So I got him 7-Up to settle his stomach and some Gatorade to hydrate him. Did you ever see the Gatorade, the one with it's almost like an adult Pedialyte, not the normal grade Gatorade. It's called Gator Light or something. And that, my people, is my sushi bake. Okay, we're gonna taste test it. You like to eat yours like that, yeah?
Yeah.
You like to put it. Take a nori too, and you can wrap it in there.
Oh.
And he'll do that. Tastes like sushi. So now it's Caitlin's turn to eat, but we have to change her diaper first. She can't eat sushi, so she eats pureed foods. Caitlin is going to eat pureed, what is it? Beef stew with her supplemental drink. I might have to blur this here. Let's block it. Block. That's a no. No. No looky. Ready to eat, Caitlin? Ready for lunch? Yes. Oh. Okay, good. She's not kicking me in my face today. Okay. Then we're gonna load her into her wheelchair. So if you want some entertainment, here we go. Ooh. Lift with your legs, not your back. Whew. There was a moment in time when and don't mind my closet, I know it's ghetto. This is Caitlin's room. There was a moment in time when her gastroenterologist suggested she get a feeding tube, but look, she eats perfectly fine. We taught her how to eat and swallow through many trials and tribulations. It took a lot of work to get her to drink out of a straw. But she's doing it. Feeding tube who? Who needs a feeding tube? Not Caitlin. Okay, we're gonna eat now. Bye. Bear. Bear, come. Come. Yes. Oh, why are you over there? We can finally take a little break. I love you, Boba eyes. Look at his Boba eyes. Boba. Boba. Jeez, my face looks so bloated. Why? I just love him. My Boba eyes. Oh, Boba eyes. Whoa, are you okay? My goodness.
I don't know, 9 or 10. They're
Look, I can really use that tubing for my aquarium. Should we do a bean sly part 2? I'm just joking. Pretty serious, we're in the ER now. So, and it's a full moon, the snow moon. I don't think we're going torch fishing tonight. This is way more important. It's pretty scary. They just came in and wheeled in a whole x-ray machine thing, like a portable x-ray machine, and it was done in like 5 minutes.
Hello. Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir.
Whoa. Oh my god. Yeah, no torch fishing tonight on the full moon night. The snow moon had other plans for us and we are at the ER. But do you remember seeing my other shorts video? The one where it's titled Trying to Be Sly.
Sloppy criminal work.
And before anybody makes any judgments, look at how cute this is. It's pink with purple hearts on it. Anyways, I take that because I wrap it around my wrists because I have trigger finger. That's what it's called. And the military hospital, I'm sure, can afford thousands of dollars in wraps. So go ahead and judge me. Anyways, the emergency room was full when we got there, and they took him in right away. I mean, so my husband got this procedure done I don't want to talk too much about it. Basically, there's something going on where he's really sick and we don't know what is going on. They're trying to find out what's going on with him right now. They took him in right away. They're running all kinds of tests. I have to run home, take care of a few things, and then I'll go back. But yeah, snow moon energy decided we will be spending the night at the ER. But he is stable now. He seems to be under control, like, you know, he's doing better than how he was doing since his procedure yesterday. And I have faith everything will be okay. I'm gonna go back to be by his side. Make sure everything goes well. Yeah. And that's what's going on. Right, okay. Well, guys, the cloud just covered the moon, but the snow moon had different plans for us tonight. My husband got admitted to the hospital and I had to come home and pick up a few things and drop him back off. So I won't be here torch fishing tonight. The snow moon energy had other plans for us. He's stable, he's doing okay so far. Look at that. Look at it radiating. See that? Anyways. Yeah. So no torch fishing tonight. I'm on my way to see my lovely husband. Hopefully he's hanging in there. Yeah. Medical, surgical. Okay. Oh my god, so he did end up getting admitted. It's late, I gotta go home now. Wake up early and come back because they're gonna do a procedure or something. Oh my god, it's right. I walked right past the elevator. I swear this place is like a maze. Every time I come here, every time I get lost. This is where my doctors are too. Anyways, okay, good night everybody. Update. They said he'll have to stay two days probably. Oh. Forward floor. I don't know where the heck I am. Oh, where am I? I'm not trying to go to the down mountainside. I want to go to the ER parking lot, okay? Oh my god, it's so... I feel like I'm in a ghost hunting YouTube video now. Look at that. The vibes. Okay, I better go. Bye. You know what? I'm hopping back on here so I don't feel so alone because it's dark outside. It's midnight and I'm kind of low-key scared there's nobody here. Oh my god. And I'm lost. Just hold it together. My husband's calling. I gotta go. Okay, there. Okay, leaving. The view is actually so nice from up here. You can see the whole city. There's like a really nice hike up above in the mountains behind this hospital. Behind the big pink hospital. You see it? You can't really see it because there's no wind. It's hot now. The floor that he moved to, there was this guy just screaming at the top of his lungs, and there were nurses running back and forth. And there's this one nurse, she has a good sense of humor. And all of a sudden it's quiet, and then